In this week's edition of the Business Review, luxury hotel and resort chain Rio demonstrates renewed commitment to Jamaica through a multi-million-dollar investment. Here's TVJ's Andrew Lately.
8 months ago, Rio Ocherias closed its doors to the public to undergo renovations. The announcement sent shockwaves throughout the tourism industry. It resulted in job losses and created a void in the wedding destination segment. The company now clawing back its market share with more rooms and attractions.
The fact that we have not only more rooms, but that the occupancy of these new rooms have been expanded, it actually made possible that the total amount of persons that at any given time can be at the hotel has increased.
Rio Ocherias hosts about 350 weddings annually. With the renovations, the company expects that number to increase. But the renovations didn't come cheap.
The total cost of the renovation is close to $85 million, which usually that would be the cost of a brand new hotel. And the fact that this is just the renovation and this is the budget that we have for it, it only speaks not only to the investment and the trust that we have on the destination to really have a turnaround.
And even as the company reopens one of its locations, there are plans to close another for renovations, this time in Montego Bay.
Once we close actually Rio Montego Bay, which is going to be closed for renovations next year, April, back open in September, we can safely say that we have either new hotels, because the Rio Reggae and Rio Palace Jamaica, they have been recently built from between 2013 and 2016. But once Rio Montego Bay is renovated, the entire Rio line in Jamaica is going to be either fully renovated or brand new.
But the physical venue isn't the only change at Rio Hotels and Resorts. The company is also switching up its business model to target specific segments of the tourism market.
One of the main things that will be happening when we close Rio Montego Bay is that up to the moment of closure, that hotel has always been a family hotel. However, when it opens, it's going to open as an adults only.
In terms of employment,
in total, with the 6 hotels that we have over 2,700 staff in Jamaica that we employ. And I'm glad to say that our staff is very loyal. I was just sharing earlier that Rio Tropical Bay, that opened in 2001 to today, 2019, we still have staff that open the hotel with us, and they are still part of the team. So not only we employed a great amount of persons, but we also have the ability to keep them within the chain for many, many years.
The expansion provided jobs for nearly 150 new employees. Rio Ocherias opened in 2005 with 856 rooms. The renovations makes it the largest in the chain of 6 Rio properties in Jamaica. Andrew Lately, TVJ News.